Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Xiaomi device, and now I can show you how to use several WhatsApp accounts on one Xiaomi device. Firstly, we need to open Play Store and download official WhatsApp application. How to check is application in Play Store official. You need to click on it, and if you will see here WhatsApp LLC, this application is official. Click install and wait a while. My Play Store has crashed. I need to try again. Click open, choose your language and click next, agree, allow. And now you need to enter your phone number you want to use in this application. In our case, it will 737 551 932. Click OK, continue, allow, and just wait a while. Of course, I need to check it with the CAPTCHA because I'm trying to do it several times per day. And cool. Continue. Allow. And cool, as you can see, I have installed and activated the WhatsApp application. How to activate a second account on the same device. To do it, we don't need to install any applications. We don't need to install WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Web or other duplicating apps. No, we have it inside our system. Open Settings, scroll down, find apps, and here choose Dual Apps. Click Create. Find here WhatsApp and click Dual Apps and click Turn On. And now Xiaomi is creating the clone of our application. And as you can see, here we have original WhatsApp application and cloned WhatsApp application. Click on it. Choose language, agree and continue, allow. And here enter several number, your second number. In my case, it will 531 846 903. And cool, great, allow. And great. So now we can send applications. We can send messages to all accounts. For example, I will create a new contact inside test QWERTY, for example, and it will 737 551 932. I'll just show you how it works. And when I will send message to QWERTY, wait a while, and as you can see, I have got the message on my several account, on my second account. And as you can see, I have two applications on the same device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.